Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with TK. Today you guys, I have made a delicious barbecue chicken sandwich. That's right, I shredded me some chicken after I cooked it in my Ninja Foodi. I'm going to show you guys how I made this delicious barbecue chicken sandwich so that you too can make you a delicious barbecue chicken sandwich in under 12 minutes. If you would like to know how I made this delicious tasting barbecue chicken sandwich and how I shredded the chicken, stay tuned to this video so that you too can make your family a delicious barbecue chicken sandwich. Okay, so the first thing I do is I get 3 chicken breasts because it's just me and my daughter, and I place them into my Ninja Foodi. So I'm only going to use 3 chicken breasts, and yes, I did marinate my chicken breast in whatever type of marinade you would like. Okay, the first seasoning I'm going to use is some barbecue seasoning. Use whatever type of barbecue seasoning you like. I'm using Honey Hickory by Grill Mates. Next, I am adding in garlic powder and onion powder. I'm using a tablespoon of each. Okay. I am using a seasoned salt. This seasoned salt is sriracha seasoned salt. Only use a tablespoon. I'm going to use some red pepper flakes. I'm only going to use about a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. I'm also going to use some TONEYS saturated CREOLE seasoning, about a tablespoon of TONEYS saturated CREOLE seasoning. Now I'm going to use paprika. If you can find smoked paprika, you can surely use smoked paprika. That helps with the flavor. Next, use about a tablespoon of black pepper or 2 tablespoons of black pepper. The black pepper really helps with good flavoring. I'm going to use about a cup of brown sugar or a half a cup of brown sugar. And I'm going to use a half a cup of white sugar as well. That's correct. A half a cup of brown sugar and a half a cup of white sugar. That will go into this combination. Now, get you about 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce and place it in here. You're going to mix all these ingredients inside the Ninja Foodi. Next, use you some hot sauce. It can be Louisiana, Texas Pete, it doesn't matter. Just whatever great tasting hot sauce you like. Okay, so let's move on to our next seasoning. We're going to use some prepared yellow mustard. If you would like to use honey Dijon mustard, you can use honey Dijon mustard as well. But I'm using regular prepared mustard, okay? Just use you about half a cup of mustard. Now, if you're going to use more chicken, use more. Okay, here I'm going to put in some honey. You can put in about a half a cup of honey for the 3 chicken breasts. If you're using more, please add more ingredients. I love me some barbecue sandwiches. Okay, so now I am going to use me some chicken bouillon. That's correct, better than bouillon. Now, if you do not have better than bouillon, but you have some other type of chicken bouillon, you can use it. If you don't have a chicken bouillon, don't even worry about it, okay? Because now we are going to use our chicken broth. That's correct. Use your half a cup of chicken broth. Next, put in just a half a cup of your favorite barbecue sauce. That's correct. Put in a half cup of your favorite barbecue sauce. So we are going to get together and mix all of this together, okay? Take your spoon and stir it around. You don't have to really because it's a pressure cooker, but for me, for some reason, it's just a habit. Okay, so now I'm going to place my pressure lid onto my Ninja Foodi, and I'm going to set my Ninja Foodi to pressure. So turn it on and then hit the pressure button And after you hit the pressure button, you are going to turn it to high. And then you're going to hit your timer for 10 to 12 minutes. So if you're not using a Ninja Foodi and you're using an Instapot, the timing will be the same, 10 to 12 minutes on your pressure. Okay? Now we're going to allow it to rise to pressure and cook for the 12 minutes, and we will be back. Okay, everyone. Our barbecue chicken is done in our pressure cooker. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, you guys, it turned out excellent. Look at that. Look at that chicken. It looks so delicious, doesn't it? And now we are going to shred our barbecue chicken for our barbecue chicken sandwiches. It's just like a pulled pork sandwich. The only difference is that we are using chicken. So I did get some of the juices from the barbecue sauce that was on the inside of our pressure cooker, so that we can keep it moist and as we shred it, which it is still moist. So take you 2 forks to shred your chicken. If you don't know how to shred your chicken, you will take 2 forks and you will constantly just scrape them against the chicken breast, as you see I'm doing here. You can also do this with a chicken leg, a chicken thigh. It doesn't matter, whatever part of the chicken that you're using. Okay, so now we have our chicken shredded for our barbecue chicken sandwiches. Some people call them pulled chicken, like pulled pork sandwiches, or you can call them chopped chicken if you prefer to chop them instead of shredding them. And I added some more of that juice as well because it has so much of flavor to it. And you guys, when I tell you that this combination of seasoning and sauces make the best barbecue chicken sandwich on earth, and it's spicy. Not too hot, but just the right amount of sweet and heat. So let's go ahead and assemble this barbecue chicken sandwich. And voila, I made some homemade fries to go along with this sandwich as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned to Cooking with TK for another upload. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave lots of comments down below. Share with each and everyone that you know. And I hope you try this recipe so that you too can make you a delicious barbecue chicken sandwich. Some people call it shredded barbecue chicken sandwiches. Some people call it pulled barbecue chicken sandwich. But whatever you would like to title it, this is a great way to make you a barbecue chicken sandwich at home. If you don't have a Ninja Foodi or any type of pressure cooker, you can do this same recipe in your oven or on top of your stove. Thanks for tuning in with Cooking with TK. Peace out until the next episode. Have a great day, you guys.